Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove VW Jetta rear seats. First, locate the two release levers positioned at the front base of the rear seat cushion. These are usually small loops or tabs. Pull each lever firmly towards the front of the car to release the locking mechanism. Once both sides are disengaged, lift the front edge of the seat bottom and slide it forward to completely remove it from the vehicle. It should come out quite easily. With the seat bottom removed, your next step is to tackle the seat back. Look for two bolts, usually one on each side, located at the lower corners where the seat back meets the floor. Use an appropriate wrench or socket to loosen and remove these bolts completely. After the bolts are out, gently lift the entire seat back upwards. This action will unhook it from the retaining clips at the top, allowing you to pull it away from the vehicle's frame. Before fully removing the seat back, it's crucial to check for any electrical connections. Many modern Jetta models have wiring for airbags or seatbelt sensors integrated into the rear seats. Carefully disconnect these connectors by pressing their release tabs. Also, ensure any wiring harnesses are unclipped from the seat frame to prevent damage. Once all connections are free, you can carefully lift and remove the seat from the vehicle. Be mindful of its weight and size. When reinstalling, reverse the steps. Start by aligning the seat back's top clips, then push down to secure it before reinserting the lower bolts. Make sure all electrical connections are reattached securely. Always tighten bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque to ensure safety. For a cleaner car interior, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control and self-emptying features, perfect for pet owners. You can find a link to this amazing vacuum and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.